Hey guys, can you solve Downing Street's puzzle? This is a puzzle to see if you can be a disruptor in the government. It says we're given 4 squares. Calculate the area of the red triangle. I was sent this by email. Thank you, Leo. If you want to try this on your own, pause it right now because I'm going to solve it in 3, 2, 1. First, let's find out where these intersect and draw this green triangle. And then let's fill in this portion here with the blue triangle. And let's color this whole thing in to give us a right triangle. This red triangle will be equal to the giant triangle minus the blue triangle minus the green triangle. So if we can find these values, we can find this value. So let's find some side lengths. This square has an area of 5. So that means that the side lengths are equal to the square root of 5. And this square shares a side, which means all of its sides are also square root of 5. And then for this square, this is made up of 2 of these, so it'd be 2 root 5, which means that this height is also 2 root 5. And should we turn this sideways? I think I like it most like that. And then for the top square, if the area is equal to 36 pi, the side lengths are the square root of the area, so it'll be the square root of the quantity 36 pi. And we can simplify this. We can give the 36 and the pi their own roots, and the square root of 36 is equal to 6. So this side length is equal to 6 square root of pi. And this side length will also be 6 square root of pi. And now we have all the side lengths of our 4 given squares. Let's make them all bigger and scoot this up. And let's bring back our blue triangle. If we turn our heads, this can be the base of the triangle, and this can be the height. So the base of the blue triangle is equal to all of this. That's going to be 3 root 5 plus 6 root pi. And then the height is equal to all of this minus this. So it'd be 6 root pi minus 2 root 5. Well, that's exciting. We have the base and height of the blue triangle. Let's clean things up a little bit, and let's do the same thing for the green triangle. This will be the base, and this will be the height. And the height is this square root of 5. And then the base would be this whole 6 root pi minus the root 5. So now we have the base and the height of the green triangle. So we have these two taken care of. And we also have the base and the height of the giant triangle. So this is everything that we need. Let's clean this up a little bit, and let's bring this up here. The area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. So we're going to do the area of the big one minus the area of the blue one minus the area of the green one. For the big one, the base is 6 root pi minus root 5, and the height is 3 root 5 plus 6 root pi. And then for the blue one, the base is the 3 root 5 plus 6 root pi, and the height is the 6 root pi minus 2 root 5. And then for the green one, the base is the 6 root pi minus root 5, and the height is root 5. And this is the answer to our question. Let's put a box around it. How exciting. I'm just joking. We got to simplify this. So we're going to have to multiply all these out. Let's rearrange these two, and let's rearrange these two. And let's focus on the top one. We can bring down the 1/2. 6 times 6 is equal to 36, and root pi times root pi is equal to pi. And then 6 times 3 is equal to 18, and root pi times root 5 is root 5 pi. And then we have the negative times the 6 is negative 6, and root 5 times root pi is root 5 pi. And then we have another negative, and root 5 times root 5 is 5 times 3 gives us 15. And then we can simplify this. 18 root 5 pi minus 6 root 5 pi is 12 root 5 pi. And let's smush everything together. And then we can distribute this 1/2 to all 3 of them. The 36 will change into 18, the 12 will become a 6, and the 15 will become a 7.5. This is the area of the large triangle simplified, so let's replace it. And we can do the same thing for the second one. After we multiply it out, it looks like this, and we can combine like terms. This negative 12 root 5 pi and 18 root 5 pi is 6 root 5 pi. And we can distribute the 1/2 to make this 18, 3, and negative 15. And we can also distribute the negative to make it negative 18, negative 3 root 5, and positive 15. Now this is the area of the blue triangle simplified. And let's bring it up here. We're not going to need these parentheses, and let's do the last one, the area of the green triangle. We can bring down the negative 1/2, and 6 root pi times root 5 is 6 root 5 pi, minus root 5 times root 5, which is equal to 5. And then after we distribute the negative 1/2, we get negative 3 root 5 pi and positive 2.5. So this is the area of the green triangle being subtracted. So let's bring it up here, and let's combine like terms. This positive 18 pi and this negative 18 pi will cancel each other out. And this 6 root 5 pi minus 3 root 5 pi minus another 3 root 5 pi. This will be equal to 0. It all cancels out. And then negative 7.5 plus 15 plus 2.5 is equal to 10. And that is the area of the red triangle. Let's give it a label and put a box around it. This is the answer to our question. How exciting. Consider this my application for government disruptor. You know where to find me.